Martha stirred in her sunlit studio, the scent of salt and paint mingling in the air. Her easel stood by the window, framing a view of the endless ocean beyond. At 60, she had returned to painting, her long-lost passion, her heart kindling with each brushstroke.
Every sunrise brings a new canvas,
Martha mused, her fingers brushing the edge of a vibrant, unfinished landscape. Henry, a retired teacher in his late 60s, stood behind a small table stacked with copies of his debut novel. He had spent years perfecting his craft, and now the moment had come to share his story with the world.
It's never too late to dream,
Henry reassured himself, straightening a stack of his books with a hopeful smile. Martha and Henry found themselves side by side, their booth's neighbors amidst the lively crowd. Martha's paintings drew curious eyes, while Henry's novels sparked conversations.
Your book is just as colourful as my paintings,
Martha remarked, her eyes twinkling as she gestured to the vibrant covers.
and your art tells stories as vivid as any I could write.
Henry replied warmly, grateful for the unexpected camaraderie. As the crowd thinned, Martha and Henry shared stories of their pasts, of dreams deferred and finally pursued. The flickers of lantern light reflected in their eyes, illuminating the shared understanding of perseverance and passion.
It's the people we meet that inspire new chapters,
Martha said, her heart full.
And the courage to turn the page.
Henry added, feeling a renewed sense of purpose. Martha and Henry stood by the water's edge, the waves gently lapping at their feet, their paths once solitary, now intertwined like the sea and sky.
To new beginnings,
Martha said, extending her hand.
And endless possibilities, T.
Henry replied, taking it with a smile.